Okay, Mr. Willis, let's see if we can get this thing fixed for you, at least started. So I have your SolidWorks model, I have your new image, and let's just go ahead and take a look at this. So we have a situation here where it's kind of offset. So, a good thing to do here is kind of like what you got started on. Let's just get the basics in here. Let's start with the basics. You have your right plane in here, which is good. You did these circles in here. But let's go ahead and complete everything that we know we can do that's fairly easy. So if you look at the image over here, I think what we could do here is like sketch out all this basic geometry. You got the hole, you got the boss out here, where it's wider here, but it's thinner over there. So essentially make this thing look like half of a dumbbell in a way. Where you have the right plane over here, where you have this boss over here, where you have a hole in it, and then it gets thinner down here, and it goes about halfway. Then you could do the same thing down here. So what you have are these two halves. If you want to, when you get those done, just go ahead and mirror it to the other side so it looks like a full dumbbell. But remember, you could take a rollback bar and roll it back before the mirror feature and add more stuff to the mirror, and then go backwards or go forward, and then try to get that done. So I think you have a good start here. So let's go ahead and put that boss in here. And let's go ahead and put that inner portion in here too, and then put the hole through it. And then go ahead and mirror it over to the other side. And then you could do like what Mark did, Mark Schneider, and just do offset bodies. So you could start like on one feature over here and have these two separate bodies and just move a body. And the way you find that move body is if you go to features, right click over here, you can go to customize, and you can go down here to commands. And it's going to be a feature command. It's going to be move or copy bodies. And then just go ahead and grab that and stick that up here. I think I already have it up here. But when you do that, then you can move them. And that'll make things a lot simpler for you rather than try to do these offset planes. It also gives you the capacity, too, later to go ahead and make modifications to the model simply by taking a dimension that's defining how far that body moved. And then from there, once you get that stuff in there, then we can start thinking about putting in the lofts. But get that geometry in there first, and then let's do the lofts. So get that geometry in first, and then give me a holler, send me an email, and I'll show you what to do in the next step. Okay? So what are you going to do? You're going to finish this stuff up. Maybe put these in the same plane, put the holes in it, and put that tube portion behind that so the hole's consistent all the way through. Do the mirror, and then do the move bodies after that, and then let's talk about putting together the loft after that.